Hello, everyone. Simon here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about gold. So let's get started. I want to show you some weekly and monthly chart. So this is the first chart I made. This is a monthly chart. I made it on October 15, 2022, last year. Okay. Elliott wave counts were like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 to the upside. Right. So after this thing started to go up exactly from here, and I made another chart. It says here the rest of the story: 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5 will go here, and the hurdle will come right here. This high, these two highs, right? So watch what happened to this chart today. This is December, 6 months, almost like not 6, well, 5 months ago. So what happened to this chart is this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We are there. We hit that, and we are like pulling back a little bit. And you see this like this week, and then another week. So 3 months in a row, we have a big wick to the upside. So what does that mean? That means that it's trying to go down a little bit first. Then it might go up again. It all depends on the USD. My next video will be on US dollar index. So we'll see what happens. So now this one, this is the monthly chart story. I also made, when we were here, I also made a weekly chart. Let me show you that. This is the weekly chart I made in January. That was October, story of October, right? So this is the 28th January, almost the end of January. When we were here, I said we're going to drop back first to 1802, then go to the upside. And then again, the hurdle was going to be these two highs, right? But we have to drop first and then go to the upside. And look what happened, how we went to the upside. From right there, we dropped 1802, and then we went up, and we are now to these highs. Like I said, that now we are at that station, and now we are waiting for the USD, how USD is going to react, and then USD will dictate the direction in this gold. A lot of people don't think so, but more or less that's the case. So at least to me. So I'm going to be making this the video for gold over the weekend. That I will analyze the USD first and a couple other things, and then I will make the chart, new chart, that where the heck this thing is about to go. All right. So if you're interested, you're going to have to subscribe my website here. Go here, creativetradingSystem.com, and where you're going to find a lot of good things, not only gold, but a lot of other things there. All right. So this is it for now. Just wanted to share with you guys. This is what's happening. Again, the next video will be US dollar index. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get my videos right on time and quickly. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.